Hi everyone, welcome to the Melbourne Headshot Company. Just in light of all the crazy things that are going on in the world, I thought I'd better show you what's going on and what we're doing to help keep you safe in the headshot world. So come on into the studio and we'll give you a bit of a tour as to how it's all working for you. So first up, you'll note on the tabletop here, there's all the cleaning products. So every surface is cleaned all the time between clients. And of course, you've got the hand sanitizers and everything else. And I'm healthy, so we keep going with that. Oh, if you want me to wear a mask, I'll wear a mask or not. It's kind of up to you, but we're good so far. Take you back through the studio itself. And in case you hadn't gathered, I'm the only one working here now. So it's just me. So you only have one person to be even remotely close to. And as you can see when I take you to the studio here, this is where most people are, and I'm up there where the camera is. So I'm about 2-3 meters away from close contact with anybody. In the makeup room, you've got that all to yourselves. I don't need to go in there. And after we've taken your beautiful photographs, you can then see them on a beautiful monitor nowhere near me and make your selections. And then I'll edit them doing the computer magic, so you still get to see yourself looking fabulous, and then we just simply email the photos to you immediately afterwards. So we're doing everything we can to keep you safe and looking fabulous at the same time. Now we understand also, yes, we're in the city. And a lot of people are preferring now not to use public transport and to work from home. We get that. To help you, we've opened a second studio. Yes, we've recreated all of this in a smaller environment in Burwood in the southeastern suburbs. So if you want to drive your car straight up to the front door, you can do that, and we'll look after you in a safe suburban environment where you don't have to deal with the public transport and the city and the parking and all that stuff. So there's a couple of ways that we at the Melbourne Headshot Company are doing our very best to keep you looking fabulous. You still need your headshots, we get that, but hey, we're going to do it the right way for you and hope we all get through these crazy times as best we can. All right, guys, talk soon. Thanks for tuning in.